The owner, Gosia, is a good friend of mine. She had very clear visions of what she wanted the apartment to be. She wanted a bold and striking visual composition. The space was inspired by the vintage trend to create a space with a neo-retro vibe. My name is Mikołaj Ziemiński. I'm an interior architect and co-founder of MT Studio in Poland.
We've combined all of our publications to date into one beautiful, inspiration-packed bundle. Our 2 books plus our digital guide, available now for a special discounted price. Thanks a bundle.
The apartment building is new and was built in 2022. In Poland, it is common to buy apartments with only ready-made walls with pre-installed water and electrical outlets, just the basics. The advantage of receiving an apartment in this condition is that walls can be demolished if necessary. It also means we don't waste any materials. We wanted the apartment to show Gosia's personality since she is such a bright and fun person. Her vision included creating a space conducive to showcasing plants and displaying decorations, to interplay with colors, textures and light. The wall separating the living space and the bedroom would be removed. In its place, we opted to install a built-in furniture unit, also providing ample storage space. The bathroom remained in the same place. We managed to move the washing machine out. This also created the entrance to the bathroom. The apartment is located in Garrison district in the Wrzeszcz neighborhood of Gdańsk. Since the end of the 19th century, the area served as a military base for over 100 years. Garrison is becoming known as an area for people who enjoy art, good food, green spaces, while having everything they need close by. To the right of the front door is a full-height mirror. It enhances the sense of space and makes the small entrance feel less cramped. We installed built-in storage units near the entrance to create a spacious walk-in closet, ideal for outwear, shoes and bags. In the center of the room is the dining space. It features a round table that makes it easy to move around flat. It is paired with a set of iconic 1960s chairs. The sleek design of the chairs, which were restored by Gosia, and ties in well with the modern table. Complementing this setup is a red curved lamp made from recycled plastic. Its warm hue is further accented by the red, creating more atmospheric feel in this house, especially in the evenings. The kitchen unit starts from the entrance. The plywood fronts are melamine panels with a 3D structure that creates a reflective effect. To add a certain lightness of color in this space, the upper cabinets are finished in white, which relates to the living room wall and does not focus the eye. The kitchen worktop is made of HPL Compact, which is more affordable than Terrazzo, yet offers a similar appearance and benefits. The mirrored kickboard trim along the bottom is meant to give a slight lift to the cabinets so they appear lighter. The design of the living space was intended to seamlessly continue the style of the kitchen. The cabinet includes lower drawers with plywood fronts, upper shelves finished in white, and a small drop has been created at the back for plants. In the corner of the room, there is a stunning ribbed cast iron radiator that adds both an aesthetic charm and functional warmth. This is also a reference to the 1980s and 1990s when they were a common fixture in every flat. To me, it almost looks like a piece of art. It's a similar color to the tiles in the kitchen, creating sense of visual continuity throughout the space. We added light grey curtains along the entire length of the flat. They provide privacy and add a sense of coziness. In the center of the apartment, there is a striking L-shaped sofa finished in pink velvet. The bookcase behind the sofa helps to separate the living area from the private area. It features evenly divided shelves to allow the objects on them to be the focal points. Above the sofa is a lamp. It is a flexible LED lighting system, creates a unique atmosphere, especially during game nights with friends. The floor throughout the apartment is coated with polyurethane resin. It is heat resistant, ensuring that the flat does not overheat despite its south-facing windows. A remote control screen for the projector is mounted on the ceiling above. Thanks to this, we are able to have a huge screen in a small apartment without sacrificing wall or counter space. From the living area, there is a small balcony that overlooks the greenery, which Gosia also wanted to have. On the other side of the bookcase is the bedroom, which, despite having no walls, still provides a sense of privacy. Gosia adores the blue color and wanted the private areas in the apartment to be adorned in this hue. A custom bed platform was created in the same plywood as the shelf, great for storing seasonal items and suitcases. We added 2 additional shelves in the headboard for bedside storage. Behind the curtain, there is a hidden storage system from IKEA for all of the clothes and personal items. We chose curtains instead of traditional doors due to limited space, and because we like to use this material to soften up the bedroom. Above the bed, there are 2 stick lamps for bedtime reading and for the closet. They can be adjusted when needed. Due to its flexibility, we also used the same lamp above the desk. Behind it stands a floor-length mirror that visually enlarges the space, especially by reflecting the activity in the living room. The bathroom is my favorite room in the apartment. In order to make the space lighter, we chose to have a modern tankless toilet that floats above the floor. I wanted to create a space that feels spacious, harmonious and tranquil. It was important for the design to be modern and elegant, while also being functional and keeping everything tidy. We added beautiful Luxfer's glass bricks to a section of the shower wall to allow natural light to enter from the bedroom. We chose ones with a blue tint in order to match them with the rest of the space. It also gives it a retro 80s vibe. During the renovation, we were able to move the washing machine into one of the blue storage units, which also allowed us to have more space for the bathroom. I pay a lot of attention to how people move throughout the space. Ensuring comfort and practicality is crucial to me. Small spaces often present challenges that require out-of-the-box solutions, which may not be applicable to every situation. I think it is important to recognize the potential of the space and address any problem in an ambitious yet realistic manner.
Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.